numbers are.
That's taken for granted.
So, hello everyone. For the recording, this is for the recording.
Good evening.
Okay.
It's very nice to see Alia and Garv all ready.
Yes.
Happy to be here.
Great. So what I was saying was we're all working for a cause here that is to teach underprivileged students. We teach them English. That is something that they're not getting in their government schools or people as children, no schools at all whatsoever, not going to schools. So we have around 700 volunteers, all of us teaching one-to-one, so that there's a lot of for these children, because it's not just educating them, but also guiding them, mentoring them, and encouraging them, and telling them that there is a ray of hope for you out there, and you can dream. The sky is the limit, and have big dreams, and it can be possible. So that is what we are trying to do out here. So if you have time, do join us. And volunteering, it's all one-to-one. So don't tell me I've never taught before. Don't tell me I'm not an English teacher. Don't tell me any of those.
Here I have to tell you that all our volunteers, about 95% of our volunteers have never taught ever, other than their children probably.
And another thing out there is to sell what we are doing. Let me tell you, it's a very gratifying journey. It's fully fulfilling and satisfying. That is why you see us here, not bothered about serving dinner to the family and sitting here. So it is lovely, and there's so much of learning out here, and also there's so much of joy of giving. All this Diwali time, it's all over now, but still only a person who experiences the joy of giving understands the value of that. And I mean, only they know it.
And
so chalo, all this banter, Kanti, let's start off. We can start off with the slide.
One more second is I just wanted to tell you guys, especially if you have children who are willing to intern, you have been hearing the podcast made by our interns.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
Have some amazing work going on. In fact, when I have time, I will probably post one of the most beautiful things our interns have come up. Some of the very, very wonderful things our interns have come up. And anyway, I will share screen and start the...
Yeah, I think as parents, as adults, and as conscientious citizens, it's all our duty to bring our children on this path of giving back to the society and introducing this beautiful experience and journey for them. So that for that, I think as adults, we have to take the first step, and then slowly introduce it to the children around us also. And there's learning, and of course there's a beautiful certificate that will help them in their further education wherever you go now. Community service certificate has become compulsory. Chalo, Kanti, so where shall we start? Where shall we begin?
That's exactly what I was going to ask you. Shall we start with the vegetables or shall we start with the verb?
No, we'll start with the verbs. We'll start. Vegetables, done and dusted. That's it. So people will revise it on their own. We'll start with, yes. Manjula ma'am, you there? Yeah. So why I can't see all the others? My view is different, is it?
No, you have to scroll down because I'm sharing my screen. Everybody is going to be at the...
Now we'll start with Garv and Alia. So unmute yourself. Manjula ma'am will say the words and you can repeat after her. We've done this, but we'll just have a quick revision. Yes, Manjula ma'am.
Come. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Kind of
Can you hear me, Neera?
Your audio.
Yeah, it's breaking up a little bit. I think you try two more. If the net is not this one, I'll take over.
No. I'll change the place. Just bear with me for a while.
Yeah.
I'll change the place.
Should I?
Meera, you can continue.
Barbeka. Yes, Barbeka.
Barbeka.
Yeah. Can I come? Barbahuda.
Barbahuda.
Yeah. I can come. Yes, of course, I can come.
I
Oh.
can come.
ಬರಬಹುದು.
Barbaudu.
I will come. I'll surely come. ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
I will come. Bartini.
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Are you coming? ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?
Are you coming? Barta idea.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? I am coming. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಪ್ಪ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ.
Are you coming? Barta idini.
Yes. I will have come, or I would have come, I suppose. ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
Bandirtini.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Manjula ma'am, take over.
I will have come.
I will have
You
come.
finish that now? Bandirtini.
Yeah.
I was coming.
I was coming.
Barta idde.
Barta ide.
I came. Bande.
I came bande.
I had come. Bandidde.
I had come bandide.
Please. Shall we
So-
repeat, Mira?
No, no.
So
no
I
need,
think
no
we're
need.
going to do a different thing now.
No,
So
go to the next slide, Kanti. So we have one nice conversation, a bit of gossip, if you want, all of you, for you to remember these words that we
in the
introduced
right
to you.
context.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that it's not confusing. Yes, Kanti.
Meera, partyge ba.
ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ? ತುಂಬಾ ಕೆಲ್ಸ ಇದೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬರ್ಬೋದಾ? ಸವಿತಾ ನನ್ನನ್ನೇನ್ ಕರ್ದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ನನ್ನನ್ನೇನ್ ಕರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬರ್ಬಹುದು. ಓಪನ್ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರಬಹುದು.
ಸರಿ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, we go to the next one.
Yeah.
ಮೀರಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ?
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಬೇಗ ಬಾ.
ನೀನು ಬೇಗ ಬಾ. ಶಾರ್ಪ್ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay. ಮೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಕಣೆ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
Okay.
ಹಲೋ ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್. ಹಲೋ ಕಾಂತಿ.
ಹಾ ಮೀರಾ.
ನಾನ್ ಬಂದೆ. ನೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ ಕಾಂತಿ? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ, ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೊರಟೆ.
ಓ.
Okay, so who's going to take over the role play? We want people to take over the role play,
That's the
please.
end of it. No, that's the end of it.
No, we have one more. No, that's it.
That's it. No, but there were some newcomers here. I just wanted them to do.
Who's going to take over? Who's going to play Kanti? Who's going to play Meera? We have about 4 role plays.
I have one Manju Lakshmi here and Kavita Kapoor. Okay, both of you unmute yourselves. Then, so you will read the Kannada version, and Manjula ma'am will correct you if it's wrong. So Manju can be Kanti and Kavita can be Meera.
Okay. ಮೀರಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಾ.
ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ? ತುಂಬಾ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬರ್ಬಹುದಾ? ಸವಿತಾ ನಾ ಕರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಾ ಕರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬರಬಹುದು. ಓಪನ್ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರಬಹುದು.
ಸರಿ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, perfect. Very good.
Oh, there are both of them are speaking like pros.
I know.
Okay, next one. So
Very well. Okay, who's the next 2
Thank you.
people?
Good expression and all that. I have somebody switched on their cameras earlier, Aditya or somebody. Now it's gone.
Okay, Bharti would like to take over, and who would go with Bharti?
Rajiram.
Okay.
Shajila. Okay.
No, I think
Rajiraman.
Raji Raman. Okay,
Raji Raman. Okay.
fine.
ಮೀರಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬೇಗ ಬಾ.
I'll read this. You have to read. Okay. ಮೀರಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬೇಗ ಬಾ. ನೀನು ಬೇಗ ಬಾ.
ನೀನು ಬೇಗ ಬಾ.
5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ. ನೀನು ಬೇಗ ಬಾ, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
ನೀನು ಬೇಗ ಬಾ, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
Good.
Very good. Very, very good. So who will go next?
I will come.
Shajila and Kanna.
ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
Shajila and Kanna. Who's Kanna? I don't know what's her. Is that your name?
Yeah.
As what?
One of you
Shajila.
become Meera, the other one Kanti.
Rashmi, go ahead. She did it, no?
Okay.
Rashmi, did you do it already? No, na?
No,
Okay.
Shajila and Rashmi.
Shall I start?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah, please.
Rashmi.
The first one, is it?
Yeah,
The
go to the
second
first.
one. Meera and Lydia from here.
Okay. Meera, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀಯಾ?
ಮೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ?
I only have to tell?
No.
No.
She's correcting your pronunciation.
Expressions.
Okay.
Yeah.
ಮೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಾನೆ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಕಣೆ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಕಣೆ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು.
ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್
ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು.
ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು.
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು.
Okay. I think we'll ask somebody else to do that, Meera. If nobody's.
No, there was somebody, no?
No.
Aditya? Okay, Aditya, yes, please take over.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಕಾನೆ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು.
Okay. Okay. So next one.
ನಾನು ಬಂದೆ.
Let them continue, Kanti.
ನಾನು ಬಂದೆ. ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕಾಂತಿ? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Should I tell?
Yes, please.
Yeah, please.
ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೊರತೆ.
Repeat it.
ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೊರಟೆ.
Okay, that's very nice. I hope this will make you remember what it is, how to use. We will share the slides anyways. Okay, so this is another quick thing. You want anybody to go? This is a revision of what we did last week. I mean, last class.
Yeah, but Aditya didn't get much chance. You can go ahead, Aditya.
Yeah, let him continue.
ನನಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಕು.
Go ahead. The whole thing.
ನನಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಕು.
Next.
ನನಗೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಡ.
Manjula ma'am, correct him now.
ನನಗೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ
ಬೇಡ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನನಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಕು. In that way you can.
ನನಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಕು.
Yeah, good. ನನಗೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಡ. Yeah, next one.
ಶುಂಠಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Good.
Very nice.
ನನಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಬೇಕು. So what is the difference between dodda and dhodda?
No, I'm sorry. It was wrong. It is the same thing. It's just a spelling mistake.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, the one on top. Yeah, because it's very tricky writing it in English. No, it's just
Okay.
dhodda. It's the same. It's
That's
the
fine.
same.
That's fine. I was just confused. If there's something to do with the potato and the onion.
No.
ನನಗೆ ಎಲಿಯ ಬಂದನೆ ಕಾಯಿ ಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಎಲಿಯ
ನನಗೆ
ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಬೇಕು.
ನನಗೆ ಎಳೆಯ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಬೇಕು.
ನನಗೆ ಎಳೆಯ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಬೇಕು.
Yeah. Repeat one more time.
ನನಗೆ ಎಳೆಯ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಬೇಕು.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, we go to the next and we just keep saying it, Meera. Let everybody mute themselves and repeat after us.
Yeah, we have Manasa here. Manasa, are you there? Can you switch on your camera? You want to teach this?
I'm here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Manjula, say it and Manasa will repeat after you.
Yeah.
Okay. I need not tell the English version, no?
No need.
No need. Just tell the Kannada words.
Bartiya.
Bartiya. Bartiya.
Bandidya.
Bandidya.
Bandidya. Had you come?
Bandidya.
Bandya.
Bandya.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಬರ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾ?
ಬರ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾ?
ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾನೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾನೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
We'll go to the next one. Please do the same thing.
So you want to change?
I have this one here. Yeah, Deepa.
Yeah.
Deepa, you can unmute. Manjula, ma'am, go ahead.
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬಂದ್ಲು. ಬಂದಳು.
ಬಂದಳು.
ಬಂದನು.
ಬಂದನು.
ಬಂದರು.
ಬಂದರು.
ಬಂದಿದ್ಲು.
ಬಂದಿದ್ಲು.
ಬಂದಿದ್ದ. ಬಂದಿದ್ದ. ಬಂದಿದ್ರು.
ಬಂದಿದ್ದ.
ಬಂದಿದ್ರು.
ಬಂದ್ರು.
No.
ಬಂದಿದ್ರು.
ಬಂದಿದ್ರು.
Okay, so Meera.
ಬಂದಿದ್ರು.
Okay, so do you want? We'll have a quick this thing of.
What we'll do, Kanti, we'll go back to the previous slides and we'll give them opportunity to create one sentence each from these words.
Then we have too many things to go forth.
What is the time now? It's 8:51.
Yeah, it's already 20 minutes gone. So we have only 19 more minutes.
Yeah, you want to make sentences or you want to go in for new ones?
No, we just run them through that I and.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So this is to help you because these are very quick things. We're not going to do much about this. This will just help you with your sentence constructions later. Manjula ma'am, could you please say this and who will tell after? I think we have somebody we can ask.
Bharti, did you do? Did Bharti got an opportunity?
Yeah, Bharti did. And I think Tarishi Nemani, would you like to go?
One gentleman was there.
Don't have their cameras on, no? They may be multitasking. Okay,
Yeah.
go ahead, Tarish.
Okay.
I.
Nanu.
ನಾನು.
ನಾನು. ನನ್ನ. ನನಗೆ.
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 ನನ್ನಿಂದ.
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 ನನ್ನ ಮೂಲಕ.
ನನ್ನ ಮೂಲಕ.
ನನ್ನದು.
ನನ್ನದು
ನಾನೇ,
ನಾನೇ,
ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು,
ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು,
ನಾವು ಮೂವರು,
ನಾವು ಮೂವರು,
ನನಗಿಂತ.
ನನಗಿಂತ.
Okay, that's very nice. You want to have another person read it again, Meera, or we'll go to the
Yeah.
next slide?
So Manju has unmuted herself. Maybe we can ask her to.
Yeah.
Manjula ma'am.
What should I do now?
Just
She
read
said-
the Kannada things. Nanu,
Okay.
Nanna.
Yeah,
Okay.
they are going to
I,
repeat after me.
ನಾನು,
Yeah, go ma'am.
my, ನನ್ನ,
Wait, please.
for me,
Wait for Manjula ma'am to say it, then you repeat after her.
yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
I, ನಾನು,
I, ನಾನು,
my, ನನ್ನ,
my, ನನ್ನ,
for me, ನನಗೆ,
for me, ನನಗೆ,
from me, ನನ್ನಿಂದ,
from me, ನನ್ನಿಂದ,
through me, ನನ್ನ ಮೂಲಕ,
through me, ನನ್ನ ಮೂಲಕ,
ಮೂಲಕ, this is la, not la, ಮೂಲಕ,
ಮೂಲಕ,
mine, ನನ್ನದು,
mine, ನನ್ನದು,
only I, ನಾನೇ,
only I, ನಾನೇ,
we both, ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು,
we both, ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು,
we three, ನಾವು ಮೂವರು,
we three, ನಾವು ಮೂವರು,
than me, ನನಗಿಂತ,
than me, ನನಗಿಂತ, ನನಗಿಂತ.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll go to the next slide and somebody else.
Wait, Kanti, that'll be too much. Wait, let them make sentences with these words. Let's do that with this the nano. That yes. Let them make sentences with these.
I have a question.
Yeah.
This than me, is it something like she is older than me, he is taller than me, like that?
You
Yeah.
can use it that way.
Yeah. That's why. Only when we give a context to it, you'll get a better understanding. Now, any of you just unmute yourself and make a sentence. We'll just wait for 10 seconds, and if you're not making, we will make some. Kanti ma'am and Manjula ma'am, let's think of some interesting sentences if they are not able to make it. Nanu.
I think Garv and Alia raised their hand.
Yes, Garv. Yes, go on. Nanu. Get some sentences ready, all of you. Unmute. Yes.
ನಾನು your whole academy school ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Oh, good.
That's nice. Long sentence.
Good.
That's good.
Okay, anybody else? Go with Nanna. Okay, Bharti Gopalakrishnan, please.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭಾರತಿ ಗೋಪಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣನ್.
Okay.
Very nice. Okay.
Nanage.
some other sentence. You can try some other.
Nanage. See, yeah, we can't keep calling people. Please volunteer.
Yes. Nanage masala dosa ತುಂಬಾ
ನನಗೆ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ.
Oh, same thing you're saying. What ನಿನಗೆ ಏನ್ ಇಷ್ಟ?
ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ.
Pizza. ನನಗೆ ಮಸಾಲ ದೋಸೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನನ್ನಿಂದ.
Nanninda.
An example from my side is ನನ್ನಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? So what do you want from me? ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು?
Okay.
Something like idu gift nanninda, is that okay?
What?
Idu gift nanninda, this gift is from me.
ಇದು ಈ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Yeah, colloquial ಚಲಗೆ.
Somebody else trying?
Namulaka. Let's not stay there, Meera. Let's go through.
Nanna Mulaka. Manjula ma'am, one interesting sentence for Nanna Mulaka.
ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ನನ್ನ ಮೂಲಕವೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
You're speaking like a government officer.
Exactly.
You're speaking like a government officer.
Yeah. So this work has to go through me only.
Me only.
You have to go through me for this.
Okay. Nannadu.
Nannadu. Nannadu. ಈ ಪೆನ್ ನಂದು. So
they want the English translation as well.
Nannadu.
This pen is mine. So Nannadu is it's a written language. So when you are saying it, Nandu, you'll say.
Nandu, you can tell.
Nandu. ಈ ಪೆನ್ ನಂದು, ಈ ಬುಕ್ ನಂದು, ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ನಂದು, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಂದೆ.
Somebody was asking the English translation for the
I told
Kannada
you.
sentence.
Yeah, that's all. Wait for the next one. And then ನಾನೇ. ನಮ್ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ನಾನೇ. So
ನಾನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರಿ.
Okay, ಏನು?
ನಾನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರಿ.
ನಾನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರಿ. Wow. There's one. ನಾನೇ.
I'm the princess.
Kumara, I think, no?
I'm the princess. It means.
There's one song, no? Nane Rajakumara.
I think it's Rajkumar's song.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else for Nane?
Nane finished now.
We'll go to Navibbaru.
Navibbaru.
Okay, we go to next.
We say Nane Kelsa Madi.
No,
ನಾನೇ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ
ಮಾಡ್ದೆ.
I did my work.
ನಾನೇ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ.
ಮಾಡ್ದೀನಿ. Okay.
ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಆರ್.
ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ.
Okay.
Okay, ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು. ಕಾಂತಿ, ನಾಳೆ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Okay.
ಮಂಜು, ನಾಳೆ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Let both of us work tomorrow.
Yeah.
ನಾವು ಮೂವರು
ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನಾನೇ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ನಾನೇ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Of course, darling, you should only do your homework. Who will do it for you?
Nobody will do your
ನಾನೇ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ಖುದ್ದಾಗೆ.
ಖುದ್ದಾಗೆ. Who will do it ಖುದ್ದಾಗೆ? You have to do ಖುದ್ದಾಗೆ only.
ಖುದ್ದಾಗೆ.
Okay, that's ಖುದ್ದಾಗೆ means I did it by myself. Looks like that is the help of Google Translator there.
My dad translated.
Okay. ನಾವು ಮೂವರು. Yes. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಮೂವರು ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
Okay, ನನಗಿಂತ. ಕಾಂತಿ, ನೀನು ನನಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡವಳು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದಮ್ಮ, ನಿನ್ಕಂತ ನಾನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡವಳು, ನಿನಗಿಂತ ನಾನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡವಳು.
ನನಗಿಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರು.
Okay, so we will.
ನಿಮಗಿಂತ ನನಗಿಂತ.
Okay.
ನನಗಿಂತ ನೀವೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹಾಗೆ.
Sorry. Okay, we'll go to the next one.
Yes. Well, how much time do we have? We have 8 minutes.
Yes.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Hey, we'll do a memory of this, Ray. Instead of going to the next one, we don't want to just finish the portions, no, isn't it? Shall we do a memory of this?
Okay. But
memory game?
Then I'll stop share and then we'll do it.
Okay. Yes.
So what we'll do is we're going to call out what the word is and you will have to tell the Kannada word. We will say only I.
Okay, then you have the this one in front of you, Kanti, the word?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
So I will call out in English. I want somebody to come and say, Meera would probably point out and you would say the
Unmute
Kannada
and
word.
go ahead. Be quick. Let's just finish
Okay.
it.
From me. From me.
ನನಗೆ.
No.
ನನ್ನಿಂದ.
Yes.
ನನ್ನಿಂದ.
Only
ನನ್ನಿಂದ.
I. Only I.
Nani.
ನಾನು
No. Nane.
ನಾನೇ
Nane. I is Nanu.
Nanu. Only I, Nanu.
Nane.
Oh, Nane. Yeah, correct.
Okay. Than me. Than.
ನನಗಿಂತ.
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 Very good. Very good. Through
Yeah,
me.
ನನ್ನ ಮೂಲಕ.
ನನಗೆ.
Nanna Mulaka is correct. For me.
ನನಗೆ.
ನನಗೆ.
Very good. My.
ನನ್ನದು.
ನನ್ನ.
ನನ್ನದು.
We three.
ನಾವು ಮೂವರು.
ಮೂವರು.
Very good. My.
ನನ್ನ.
Yeah.
Okay. We both.
ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು.
ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು.
Okay. So we are done for that. And
five and a half minutes. So we'll do one memory game. So one of you start with one word. The second person will do both the words. It can be any word that you've learned till now, any Kannada word. So we'll start with Shajila.
ನನಗೆ.
Okay. Kavita.
ನನಗೆ. ನನ್ನ.
Okay. Then Rashmi.
ನನಗೆ. I forgot the second one. ನನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Deepa.
ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಮಂಜು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ.
ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ.
Okay. Garv separately, Alia separately.
Okay. ನನ್ಗಿಂತ.
Oi.
No,
you have to tell every word. All the words.
And in the same sequence.
Okay. ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ಗಿಂತ.
Okay. Alia.
ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ನನಗಿಂತ ನಾನೇ.
Okay. Aditya.
ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay. Anya.
ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನಿಂದ. And I have to say my word also, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Bendekai.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. That's nice. So tomorrow we'll try to make a sentence that makes sense, okay? Instead of just this kind of a memory game, we'll try to build a sentence wherein each one of you say one word and try to build a sentence. So we have 2 minutes more. So if you want to give us some nice feedback so that we feel very good. If you have any criticism,
love to have feedback, please.
Text it. If you have nice things to say, we would love to listen to you. 2 minutes more. We are all ears.
Arey yaar, we can't be so bad.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I think
The
this is,
class was really fun and we learned a
Yeah.
lot of words too.
yeah, I think the interactive mode of, saying things and trying to figure it out, that is much more reinforcing. I think that's very good.
Yeah, it would
I
be
think,
nice if we got some material to read before the class so that we come a little more prepared to do more interactive.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
I think I was very scared of learning Kannada because it always sounded very difficult to me, but you've made it very easy, and actually playing games has made it more interesting, and like I want to attend the
Yes,
class.
totally,
So I'm looking
totally.
forward to it.
I agree with Arishi over here. Like, however busy you are till 8:30, I somehow make it a point to just come and attend the session. Like, I'm really enjoying it. Thank you so much.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
All this. Thank you.
I am
From all of you.
using some English words, but ನನ್ನ confidence ತುಂಬಾ increase
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ.
Today I actually tried to give directions to the auto guy in Kannada, and I was feeling I mean that satisfaction that I'm doing this.
That's really nice. So confidence is Atma Vishwasa. I think even in Hindi it's the same, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes. Atmavishwasa in a lot of languages.
Yes.
Even in Malayalam.
That is self-confidence. Atmavishwasa is
Can we have
self-confidence.
those 50 word slides, that 50 words which we learned initially, so that we can practice, because some of the words I keep forgetting. If we have those
No, it
slides, I
was-
can revise.
We have
You
posted it.
scroll back, isn't it? You
Oh,
have to
okay.
just,
You just have to scroll back because we're doing
Okay,
everything.
sure.
Okay.
it's all there.
Okay. Yeah.
Perfect. And
Where I have this Kanna here. Please, ma'am, learn to unmute yourself, catch your son or daughter, and make sure they help you so that you can participate.
Mira, actually, second session I had missed that. That session you had forgotten to record it.
No, Deepa, we were enthusiastically teaching and we forgot to record. Yeah.
I know. You told me that. That is fine.